Everyone talks about decentralization, but almost no one understands why it actually matters. Today, let's break it down in the simplest, realist way possible. Imagine a system where no one can freeze your money. Imagine no middlemen, no permission, no waiting. That's decentralization, but it's way deeper than this. What decentralization really means, it's not about crypto hype. It's about taking power away from a single authority and handing it to the people who actually use the system. Real-world use cases: number 1. Money that no one can block. Banks can freeze accounts. Governments can block payments, but decentralized money? No one can hit the off switch. People in unstable countries use this daily to survive. Number 2. Transparent systems without trust issues. Have you ever wondered why corruption never ends? Because data stays hidden, manipulated. Blockchain flips this. Every transaction is public. Number 3. Ownership that no one can steal. If you own a token, no one can change that. Not a company, not a government, not a server shutdown. That is real digital ownership. Number 4. Sending money across the world in seconds. Traditional banks take 3 to 7 days. Blockchain does it in under 10 seconds, at fees so low it feels illegal. Number 5. Finance without permission. Want a loan from a bank? Documents, interviews, stress. Want a loan from decentralized finance. Connect wallet. Done. Why traders must understand decentralization? Traders who understand decentralization always win long term. Because they know which projects matter and which are trash. And they never chase hype blindly. So if you want to survive in crypto, start understanding decentralization and subscribe for real, honest crypto knowledge.